Good morning everyone. Welcome to the class Physical Education, Unit 7, Physiology and Injury in Sports. And today our topic is effect of exercises on muscular system. You have seen many of the individual or many of the people or many of the athlete. They used to join the gym or they are involved in the exercises. Due to that the muscular system, you may find out the person, those who are going to the gym, they have developed the muscle, they have developed the shoulder muscle, they have developed the chest muscle, thigh muscle, calf muscle. So all muscles are in develop with the help of exercise and they make the body, and whenever we look at them they look attractive. So such type of person, those who are involved in the exercise, their personality also look attractive. But those all things are only possible is with the help of regular exercise. And if you are, for example, if you are only doing exercise for 1 week or 2-3 days, no doubt there will be change. There will be change in your muscular system, but that change will be only for a temporary time period. Right? So there are various effects of exercises on the muscular system. Let us learn that. Right? So effect of exercises on muscular system, there are various effects in that. First is change in shape and size of muscle. Through regular exercise, the shape and size of muscle is changed. In fact, cells of muscle are enlarged which change the shape and size of muscle. Right? Second one, formation of more capillary. When exercise are done, the color of muscles is changed because a number of new capillaries are formed for a better and efficient blood circulation. Right? And third one, muscles remain in tone position. When exercises are done on regular basis, our muscles remain in tone position. In fact, muscles remain under some degree of contraction. Muscles become firm and maintain a slight steady pull on the attachment. Right? Fourth one, control extra fat. Yes, regular exercise control the extra fat of the body. Exercises burn the extra calorie deposit in the form of fat. Right? Fifth, change in the connective tissue. The connective tissue which connected fiber become powerful. This tissue can bear stress of strenuous activities and can be extended up to the some degree. Right? Sixth one, efficiency in the movement of muscle. The movement of muscle become efficient and smooth. The movement during different activities become attractive. Right? Seventh one, delay fatigue. Yes, regular exercise delay fatigue. Fatigue is mainly due to formation of carbon dioxide, lactic acid and acid phosphorus. The conjugation of CO2, acid phosphorus and lactic acid become less in an individual who exercises regularly. Hence, fatigue can be delayed in exercise or performed daily. Right? 8.1, increase food storage. The food storage capacity is increased when regular exercise are done. Right? This storage food can be utilized immediately where it is needed. Ninth one, exercise and its health benefits. Our body remain fit and healthy with increased blood circulation and oxygen intact. Right? The regular exercise give a healthy, glowing look and it a natural anti-aging technique. It improve digestion. It help in strenuous body muscle and thus attain good postures. Exercise help to the good sleep and look good when we wake up. Right? 10th one, non-functioning fiber become active. When we do not do any strenuous work, all the muscle fiber of our body are at rest. In fact, these fibers do not do any work, but when we perform exercises regularly, the non-functioning fiber also begin to be get active. Right? Because the total connective power of the muscle fiber increases. Right? Next one, body posture remain correct. By doing regular exercise, the strength of muscle increases, which is turn keep the body postures in correct position. Also, postural deformity do not occur. If there is any physical deformity, it is removed by the doing regular exercises. Right? And last one, improve reaction time. As a result of regular exercise, the speed of nerve impulse increases, which ultimately improves the reaction time. These nerve impulse move very quickly through the motor nerves from the nervous system to muscle fiber. Owing to this, the reaction time improve. Right? Thank you very much, students.